Alright, so here I'm trying to document installing this Tangerine Shift Kit into my 6-cylinder. So here's the pile of parts and the instructions, and let's get started. So the car is jacked up on some quick jacks, and there's some extra jacks there just for a little safety. And you can see my shift bar here. What I did is I took an original shift bar and I re-drilled the holes in it and changed the angle so that it would work, but it's far from perfect. So the first step is to take all the old stuff off. Alright, well, there's the connection point for the rod where it comes to the transmission. And what we need to do is we need to cut off this tab here. And I've already removed the rod. And you can see down there, I think I have Chris's other fitting at the firewall to make things a little bit tighter fit. All right, so I've ground down most of that tab that the rod goes through. I need to chop a little bit more, and then I have the template in here, and I've marked the hole for where we need to drill the holes through. All right, so I've got the carrier, I would call it, installed, and I just used my trusty Harbor Freight grinder to get in here, and where are we? There we are. Grind away at that tab that hung down before to make room for this thing. And I drilled the 2 holes and bolted it up. So it's not as pretty as I'd like to have, but you know what? Another day I'll take it off and I'll grind that all nice and smooth and probably put a little paint on it. So here I put the little dust cover. Oh, I gotta clean that thing a little bit. On the end of the rod, and I greased up the part that goes in the transmission here, and it's all ready to go. So let's see if we can put things back together.